My dear brothers and sisters, in this Mass, we will witness the union of one heart and one mind between Giancarlo. So, my dear Giancarlo and Epifania, I congratulate you for finding each other. May you always find happiness in spite of the many difficulties.
Beats fast, colors and promise. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting.
One example is the sacrament of marriage. When two people see each other, love each other, even if with their own imperfection. Sinasabi natin, the more popular saying is that we find our soulmate. Kaya nandito kayo. You are expressing that you have found somebody, you have found each other who would complete you.
Standing in front.
Ilang mga kaibigan at kamag-anak, sana parati niyong isama sa kanyang mga panalangin ang mag-asawang ito, so that through your prayers, makukuha rin na maging kumpleto ang kanilang buhay. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let us thank God for this gathering, for Giancarlo and Epifania, for finding each other, for professing before his community that they are each other's soulmate. So, my dear Giancarlo and Epifania, I congratulate you for finding each other. May you always find happiness in spite of the many difficulties that you will experience in your married life. Congratulations, and may God bless you.
Busy po rin kayo, lahat kayo sa mga trabaho nyo. Salamat po kasi nabigyan nyo kami ng time sa araw na ito. Sa lahat po ng dumalo, maraming salamat po.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon kasi binigyan niyo po kami ng magandang panahon. Sa parents po ni Ian, maraming salamat po kasi tinanggap niyo po ako sa simula po na nakilala niyo ako.